Do you think this quadratic inequality is easy to solve? In this video, I will show you a step-by-step method. We will solve this quadratic inequality in a simple and organized way. Here are the steps. 1. Express the inequality in factored form. 2. Find the critical points. 3. Use a number line. 4. Write the final answer in interval notation. Let's begin. We are given 2x squared minus 5x minus 3 is greater than 0. Step 1. Express in factored form. In this quadratic inequality, the value of a is 2, b is negative 5, and c is negative 3. Multiply a and c. 2 times negative 3 equals negative 6. Now find two numbers that multiply to negative 6 and add up to negative 5. Those two numbers are negative 6 and positive 1. Rewrite the middle term. 2x squared minus 6x plus x minus 3. Now group the terms. 2x squared minus 6x plus x minus 3. Factor each group. In 2x squared minus 6x, the common factor is 2x. If we factor out 2x, we have 2x times x minus 3. In x minus 3, we can factor out 1, so it stays the same. So this is 2x times x minus 3 plus 1 times x minus 3. Now factor the common binomial. We get 2x plus 1 times x minus 3. So, the inequality becomes 2x plus 1 times x minus 3 is greater than 0. Now set each factor equal to 0 and solve. 2x plus 1 equals 0. Subtract 1 from both sides. 2x equals negative 1. Divide both sides by 2. X equals negative 1/2. Next, x minus 3 equals 0. Add 3 to both sides. X equals 3. The critical points are negative 1/2 and 3. On a number line, mark negative 1/2 and positive 3. Since the symbol is greater than, we will be using open circles. It means that negative 1/2 and 3 are not included. These 2 points divide the number line into 3 intervals. X is less than negative 1/2. X is between negative 1/2 and 3. And x is greater than 3. Now we test each interval. First interval, left of negative 1/2. Let's choose x equals negative 1. Substitute into 2x plus 1 times x minus 3. 2 times negative 1 plus 1 equals negative 1. Negative 1 minus 3 equals negative 4. Negative 1 times negative 4 equals positive 4. Since 4 is greater than 0, this interval satisfies the inequality. Next interval, between negative 1/2 and 3. Let's choose x equals 0. Substitute. 2 times 0 plus 1 equals 1. 0 minus 3 equals negative 3. 1 times negative 3 equals negative 3. Since negative 3 is not greater than 0, this interval is not included. Last interval, right of 3. Let's choose x equals 4. Substitute. 2 times 4 plus 1 equals 9. 4 minus 3 equals 1. 9 times 1 equals 9. It is greater than 0. This interval satisfies the inequality. So, the solution is x less than negative 1/2, or x greater than 3. In interval notation, the answer is this. Union of negative infinity to negative 1/2, and 3 to infinity. Take note. We use parentheses because the inequality is strictly greater than 0. We do not include the endpoints. That is how you solve quadratic inequality step by step using a number line. Quick recap. First, factor the expression. Then find the critical points. Next, test each interval. And finally, write the solution in interval notation. Remember, the number line helps you see where the expression is positive or negative. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.